Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone already uses a secure screen lock. You need that first. Once done, back up your account and verify recovery options so you won't lose access. Now open Settings and go straight to Security or Lock Screen Options. You do this because many protections depend on an active lock method. Make sure Location or Smart Lock is disabled for locked behavior. This prevents bypasses. From here, you'll move into System or App Controls that can restrict power options. Next, locate the setting that controls the power menu on the lock screen. On many phones, you'll find a toggle labeled Power Menu on Lock Screen or an OEM lockdown feature. Enable it so the power off command requires an unlocked device. If your Android lacks that native control, install a reputable device admin or anti-theft app from the Play Store that offers a Prevent Power Off or Require Authentication for Power Menu feature. Then follow the app setup and grant required permissions carefully. Finally, lock the phone and long press the power button to test whether Shutdown Now requires unlocking or app confirmation. If the phone still powers off without asking, reopen Settings and the app to confirm device admin permission and accessibility access are active. Revoke and regrant if needed. Make sure Smart Lock is fully disabled because it can bypass some protections. If problems persist, reboot and repeat the setup steps, or contact your device maker for an OEM-specific option that may be hidden under.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.